What's up, guys? Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings. We're bringing you something a little different. Today, we are at Santa Maria Ford, where we are cutting prices on all used and new vehicles. Sorry. We're coming to you from Santa Maria Ford. We set up a polycrete commercial flooring system for the guys here working in the service bays. So we wanted to give you guys a little taste of what it's like, especially for some of you out there looking to have some commercial work done. And check this out. Let us know what you guys think. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful, safe day. Boom!